Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Center. Once again, we are going to be seeing isolated to scattered thunderstorms this afternoon popping up across the eastern areas of the Northern Cape, much of the northwest, pushing down into southeastern South Africa. The storms could also spill into southern Gauteng and parts of the Mpumalanga Highveld. At the same time, drizzly conditions should persist for the Mpumalanga and Limpopo escarpment areas. Then towards the evening hours, rainy weather is expected to set in along the south coast and the adjacent interior. In the meantime, it's going to stay partly cloudy and dry with lots of high-level cloud for the back of the Northern Cape. Scattered thunderstorms are forecast this Wednesday in the areas you see the dark shade of blue over the eastern areas of the Northern Cape, much of the northwest, as well as the Free State. Up to 40% chance of rain and thunderstorms is forecast where you see the lighter shades of blue across eastern South Africa. And this evening, we should see up to 60% chance of rainfall for much of the south coast. We still have a warning for high fire danger across the interior of the Northern Cape and the northern sections of the Western Cape. Runaway fires are still very possible wherever you see that shade of red. Now with that, here's a look at top temperatures. It's going to be hot for Mahikeng and Vryburg, both hitting the 30-degree mark. Cooler as we go towards the eastern sections. Modimolle, Pretoria and Mbombela making it to around 28 degrees. Highs in the upper 20s are also forecast for Bloemfontein and Velkom, but it's going to be hotter for much of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, where highs in the lower 30s and mid-30s are expected. It's going to be windy this afternoon for Durban and Richards Bay. Lighter winds for East London, where a high of 27 is expected. Cooler for Port Elizabeth, peaking at around 24 degrees. We are expecting highs in the mid-20s for Alton and Robertson, but it's going to be sizzling hot for Graafrenet, making it to around 37. Light to moderate winds are forecast for the south coast, but it's going to be pretty breezy around Muizenberg, and we're expecting highs for these coastal areas to lie mostly in the lower to mid-20s. A hot day is forecast around Appington, shooting to 39, 37 for Prieska, a bit cooler for Kimberley, warming to around 34 degrees. Fresh winds are forecast this Wednesday for Cape Town and Langebaan. Lighter winds as we go towards Alexander Bay, and Cape Town should warm to around 25 degrees. On Thursday, it's going to be cooler for Cape Town with partly cloudy skies, mostly cloudy with rain for southern South Africa, and passing showers will persist over the eastern areas.